To get started, it's imperative to start small and be realistic. You don't have to take a giant leap right away. Oftentimes, we aim to do things we don't have the knowledge or the resources to accomplish quite yet. And this leads us to think things like, oh, that new system or app is not for me. I'm not that tech savvy. And we end up unintentionally confining ourselves, keeping us trapped in our comfort zones. So, to combat that, I suggest beginning with something small, something that feels realistic and accomplishable, something that prepares you to push past your boundaries, like watching a video about that new system, maybe downloading the app before intending to use it, or even preparing for having a conversation you've been putting off for a while by jotting down what you want to say, or starting with jotting down your hopes and fears for the outcomes of the conversation. These actions build the confidence needed for bigger challenges and ultimately prepare you to keep going.